So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to collect new shields in Monopoly Go. But before we dive in, here's a website where you can get dice and stickers using our discount code.
By MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, try to click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with their exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
So now that is out of the way, here's how to collect new shields in Monopoly Go. So basically to collect shields in here in Monopoly Go, it's simple. I already have a collected array of shields right here. I want to show you. So let's just go to the shield section. I cannot find it. There you go. So just press on your own shield. I have collected 4 shields as so far. So basically to collect new shields here in Monopoly Go, they come and go from time to time. And the first method of getting them is from tournaments. As you can see right here, you can get this new winter champion to complete milestones and win. So basically the top 10 will have this reward, and there you go. All you have to do is complete this tournament by doing so. So to get those sleds, it's pretty simple. You have to land on shutdown and bank heist and try to get a higher multiplier for each one. The next one is by going to your album, you can get new shields like this one. So when you complete an album, you will get a shield, and only certain ones. Not all of them have them. As you can see, you will have tokens for others and others for shields, such as this ones and here. So there you go. That is how you collect new shields in Monopoly Go. Please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.